Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I am DrGodFather, and in this video we are going to be talking about something that we have already talked in my previous videos before, which is stock market. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can start your journey as a beginner trader if you want to build your career in trading, and even if you want to do it as a side job, you just want to invest, or if you just want to scalp for a little bit of income, extra income that you want to earn over a basic job. Okay, so everybody wants that. Who would hate extra income, right? It's not some rocket science that you cannot learn. So without wasting any more time, we will directly go to this video, to the gist of the video. Okay, the first question that you might ask yourself is, what do you need to be a trader? Okay, to build your trading career, what do you need? Like you might ask yourself when you start cooking. When you're cooking, you might need to ask yourself, what do you need? First answer that you might get is ingredients. Obviously, ingredients are the most basic need that you need. Okay, so ingredient is needed. After that, what do you need? With just ingredients, if you mix up everything and just put it up on stove, it's not gonna work. Okay, right? You're not gonna make your favorite dish like that, right? So what do you need to know? You need to have a little bit of knowledge, right? You need to know how to cook that particular thing that you want to cook, right? So that being the second thing, what is the third thing and the most important thing that you need to know to cook something tasty? If you have knowledge, you can cook something, but it need not be tasty. So to cook something really tasty, what do you need? You need experience. How do you gain that experience? Okay, let's not talk about that now. Let's come to the stock market. What do you need to become a trader? First thing, as you needed ingredients over there, here you need a demat account. Demat account is the basic thing that you need, because without it you cannot trade in India. Okay, so if you don't have demat account already, I'll give you links to the best discount brokers of the country, which are Zerodha and Upstocks. You can open a demat account within minutes from the link given in the description. Okay, so go ahead and start your trading career today. Okay, so what else you need? You'll need knowledge. You will need to know what you are going to trade. What is cash segment? What is futures segment? What is option segment? What is commodity? What is what? Okay, so all these segments and a little bit about every scripts. What is script? You need to know what scripts we trade in. Script is basically nothing but the company names that we're just, suppose you're going to put some 10,000 rupees on Reliance. So you need to know Reliance is a script. Okay, that is basic thing you will learn eventually, that you need not separately study or watch any video for that. But then you need to have a basic understanding of the stock market. After that, you need to know what is futures, what are options, how can you make money in that, how theta, all the option Greeks, you know. But is that all you need to know? No. Knowledge, if you have knowledge, you can start your career, but you need not make profit. That's what most people do. That is the biggest mistake most of the people commit. Now I'll tell you how you can just avoid that mistake. Okay, what is the biggest mistake? You have knowledge, you have money, you have a demat account, you just put all your money in the demat account and start trading, and what you'll find out eventually, that at the end of the month you are left with nothing. You have wiped out your entire capital in 1 or 2 months. Is that normal? Yeah, that is normal. But when we already know that it is normal, then why are we wasting our money in that? When we know that we're going to wipe out our first few times we put all the capital in, we're going to wipe it out, then why do we put trades like that? Everyone does that mistakes, right? So if you're starting your career now, you should start initially with some 4,000, 5,000 capital and be ready to wipe it out. It's okay. Just try to last in the stock. Okay, the more time you spend in the market, the more experience you gain, and the better trader you will be. Okay, so never forget that you should be mentally prepared to lose your capital 3-4 times at least. That is the tuition fee that your market wants. Okay, now once you gain experience, what do you need to know? You need to know various strategies. First of all, you should never touch futures and options segment until and unless you have spent some 3-4 months trading every day with the market. Got it? Never touch future and option segment. Now, once you have a little bit of experience, you are controlling your emotions, controlling the emotions. Yeah, what do you mean by that? Controlling emotions is the most important part when you start your trading career. Okay, what does controlling emotions mean? Let's take an example of a heartbroken guy here. Okay, this guy was dating his girlfriend. Okay, now his girlfriend just broke up with for whatever reasons it might be, but this guy actually loved her. He had feelings attached with this girl, so whenever he texts the girl and he doesn't get any reply from her, he'd feel really bad, right? Obviously. But do you think after an year, if he does the same thing and he doesn't get the reply back, the feelings will be same? No, right? Okay. Why is it? Because eventually he'll start controlling his emotions. That's what you need to do in the stock market also. Stock market, whatever scripts you put your money in is your girlfriend. If it doesn't give return, you are gonna learn eventually how to control your emotions, how to take losses, how to accept your defeat. This is very important. Until unless you learn that, you are going to lose everything in the market. Stay away from it. If you don't have patience, if you're not willing to give 2-3 years to it, stay away from it. That's what I would recommend you. Okay, so what did we talk till now? There are 3 things. Just of it, summary. I would summarize it. What do you need if you want to become a successful trader, or if you want to start your trading career? What do you need? The first thing you need is Demat account, links to which are given in the description. The second thing you will need is a little bit of knowledge that you'll learn in my next upcoming videos. I'll be sharing some of the knowledge as in whatever you need to know about the stock market. I'll be sharing all of it. No unnecessary shits over here, okay? Only things you need to know will be shared here. After that, after you have gained those knowledge, by the way, everything I'll be finishing in a week. You also need not waste more than a week in this knowledge part. The time you need to spend most on is learning how to control your emotions when you are already invested or when you're trading in the stock market, okay? So emotions, controlling emotions is the best part. I mean the most important part, okay? So how you're gonna learn that I told you, you have to put trades every day. You are gonna lose, you are gonna win. You have to accept everything. You have to learn to accept defeats. If you can earn, you can lose also. You should know that. When you're mentally stable, when you see losses and it doesn't affect you much, that means now you are ready. And when you're ready, you are ready to earn profits in the stock market. So let's begin this wonderful journey with me. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to begin this beautiful journey of stock market with me. Don't forget to like the video if you actually liked my initiative of teaching something that I've learned from so many creators in India and international everywhere. And now a gist of it I am going to present in my future videos. So with that note, I'll just end this video. Bye bye.